Hey guys, back with another video. In this video we are going to install a Pixel Experience Plus on K20 Pro. Right now I am running Evolution X ROM, the latest 9th April build. So I'm going to remove my screen lock. I don't want to get stuck anywhere, so that's why I'm doing that. You can also do. And make sure you take all backup, because if you stuck we have to do a factory reset. In that all your data will be deleted. So now power off your device or directly boot into recovery mode. Till then, please suggest me an intro because my channel is new. I'm not having any intro. So yeah, we are booted now. Go into wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik cage, system and data. Wipe them. Back. Install. Locate the file where we have copied that. I have directly downloaded, so I am installing. I'll be right back after the installation is complete. So the installation is complete now. Just reboot to system. Swipe to reboot. If you stuck in any boot loop, just factory reset and you will be on the boot screen. Yeah, so the ROM is booted now. Let me complete the installation process. And this ROM is having pre-installed vendor, so no need to install vendor. So yeah, we are booted now. Let me show you the abouts. So you can see the security patch is of 5 April, and this is also running on the F1XY Fixie kernel. Let me focus. Yeah, same as the Evolution X, so I didn't accept any performance changes on it. They might perform same, so let's check by a Geekbench. This also comes with the same ANX camera latest version, but the problem is this ROM is not supporting the 960 fps. It is just stuck at loading. Let me show you. See, this is stuck now. This ROM also not support 4K recording. I don't know why, but it will fix, I think, in next update. Let me show you some customization on Pixel Experience Plus. There is the front camera effect and all, gestures and all. Status bar you can customize as you want. There are many customization in it. So now let me show you the Geekbench score I got from this ROM. So yeah, I ran Geekbench 2 times. This is the first time result, 751, and this is the second time. This is same as the Evolution X because they are running on the same kernel, so the performance is same. The face unlock also works pretty fine. As you can see, it is pretty fast, and the fingerprint scanner is also working fine, but this is faster than the Evolution X. I think a slightly like 4% boost, I think, from Evolution X. But yeah, one thing to notice that my phone is warm a little bit more than the Evolution X due to the Pixel Experience. I will have a PUBG play on this ROM and post video tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe for that. And you want any videos regarding K20 Pro, its overclocking or installing EU ROM or changing the file system to F2FS, please comment below. I'll make a video on it, and my next video will be on the Turf ROM installation, so make sure you subscribe. The latest build I will be installing and reviewing after that. That's all for today. Bye bye, take care, peace out.